If you've combined data from multiple worksheets in Excel, you may want it to automatically remove any duplicates based on a certain criteria. So in this instance, I might have brought a whole lot of order numbers together, and I know that if I have a duplicate order number here, it's a duplication of an entry. So I can use Excel to go through, locate duplicates, and remove them automatically. Now, this isn't a find duplicates. This is a remove duplicates feature. So if you click on your data and go to data, and we're going to go over here to remove duplicates. Excel recognizes the data on the screen is a list of information, and it says select one or more columns that contain duplicates. So we're going to choose unselect all, and I want it to check the column order number, and where there is a duplication, I want it to automatically remove any duplicates. And if I click OK, it tells me it found 4 duplicate values which it removed, and that 795 unique values remain. This is handy if you're merging data that's exactly the same from a couple of sources and want to remove any duplicates.